Oh my god, I can't smile. Good morning, vlog. It's been a minute. I'm back. Today we're making croissants. Well, I started it last night because it's like a 2.5 day situation. The day started off fantastic. My puppy left us some little surprises all over the house. So that was really fun to clean up. I had my coffee already and now we're gonna make the butter block for the croissants. The dough is in the fridge from last night. What is my hair doing? I got a haircut a few weeks ago and I hate it. Hi, Penny. We're on our way. Esther is graduating from this. Yeah, it's this program that she does. She can explain it later in the vlog, but we're on our way. Hi vlog. I got back from Esther's thing. It was so cute. She gave a speech. She was so nervous, but it was really cute. You did so well, baby girl. Now I have to speed finish my croissants, eat a veggie burger, and get ready because I'm going out with Ellen, Lily, and some other people. This is my outfit, I think. I just got this top from Depop. I really like it. I need to not fix. I just forgot what shoes I'm gonna wear. I think I'm gonna wear these. So yeah. And I need to finish my makeup. See ya. They're in the oven. The croissants are out. And now I have to go. You have to say hi. I wanna leave. Another rat. Oh my God, there's one more. It's like 2 a.m. and we just left Joy Face and it was so fun. The music was like 70s and 80s and everyone was dancing and everyone had really cool outfits. And now we're looking for a cab. Good night. Hi vlog, good morning. This is what I'm wearing today, or for right now. It's very boring. Well, the mirror is, you can't see, but these pants are actually fun. They have a lot of pockets. But I woke up and I had one of my croissants. It was so yummy. And now I'm going to get coffee with Lily. We're going to Birch because they just opened up their outdoor seating. And then I have a dentist appointment because my wisdom tooth is giving me a pain in my mouth. And then I'm going thrifting with Tally for her birthday, which was like a few weeks ago, but we never had time to go, so we're going thrifting. And then Shabbat dinner, so yep. See ya.
Right, well, I mean, not right now, but we're reviewing it.
Hi vlog. Why do you look so mean? I went to the dentist, so that was fun. I think I have to get one of my wisdom teeth taken out. Now we're at a thrift store.
I want to be there when you do that.
Now we're at a thrift store and we're waiting to go in. Hi vlog, I'm getting ready to go out. I'm trying to figure out what to wear. This is option 1. You cannot see it from this angle. It's like this zebra top, a little open with a lace bra, and this little slip skirt. And I like it, but also like it's like it makes me a box, you know? So that's option 1. Option 2, a little scarf top with these jeans. Oh, you can't see my face. It's just like a little boring. This is such a struggle every time I get ready. And then the other options I was looking at, wow, grammar. I have this bodysuit. These are so boring. Or this is Ella's. It's really pretty. Like, it's so pretty. But I don't really love red on me, so That's the only thing. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. This is another option. This corset. I didn't do it right because I'm just trying it on as an option. That's like all my stuff in the back, but same jeans. I'm so bored of my closet. This is the outfit we chose. Converse, Reformation, my grandma's old scarf, Sage Vintage. And I did my makeup, and I'm gonna fix my hair when I get to Ella's. And yeah. Hi vloggy vlog. I actually changed last minute because I feel more comfortable in this outfit and I want to dance. And Esther's going to a sleepover, so we're taking the subway together. So vlog. Pre-game on the subway chat. Cheers. Hi vloggy vlog. We're at, what's it called? Joy Face again. Selfie. We're dancing. Lily's on a date. Eek, everyone wish her luck in the comments. I'm the only person on the bus.
Wait, is it like for Snapchat?
No, it's for my, it's like I'm actually making a video. Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Wow, that looks so bad. It's so sweaty today. I just got matcha with, ew, why did I say it like that? I just got matcha with Kylie and her boyfriend. And now I'm going home. The doorman was staring at me to chill, shower, eat, and later Nicole's coming over to bake. Hi vlog, we're having dinner. Special guest featured, brought her own food because
Hi vlog.
Because she's allergic to salmon, that's why. We're gonna have a PowerPoint night, I think.
Yeah, I brought my laptop.
Yay.
Yay.
Okay. Hello vlog. Change of plans, no more PowerPoint night. We're going out. Woo! I have work in the morning, wish me luck. This is what we're wearing. Nicole might change.
Yeah, no, I think I'm gonna wear it.
I think you should wear it, right? Everyone in the comments agrees.
Devout, religious look tonight.
Yeah, I'm going for the basic bitch, apparently.
No, don't say that.
You pointed to the necklace. We're going to some NYC they go to? Whatever.
Yes.
Music people party.
So party.
I'm scared, Nicole is scared, and we're gonna drink.
Yeah, we're gonna drink.
That was perfect. Good boy. This is Nicole's puppy.
Dakota, do it for the vlog. What the hell? He's literally doing it.
It's a new command he learned. He was born to perform.
I swear.
Okay, well now he's having a moment. So.
Now he's having an itch. Dakota!
Yeah! Yum, 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 yum. Hi vlog. I woke up. It's like 7:15. I'm just a wee bit tired. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Last night was okay. It was kind of a mess because it was someone's like birthday party that we didn't know, and there were a lot of people invited, and then for some reason this guy decided to play bouncer and like made us form a line outside, but that wasn't working, and we were kind of just standing outside for like a really long time, which is annoying because Nicole and I were already inside. We just really had to go to the bathroom, and there was no bathroom there, so we left to pee, and then we came back and there was a whole situation. Whatever. So I'm a little tired. That's okay. I have work now, as you can tell. Every time I wear a button down that's blue or white, I probably have work. It's Sunday, which means brunch rush. It's also Father's Day, so I don't know. I feel like maybe people will come to celebrate, so hopefully people will be in good moods. I'm too tired to deal with angry customers. But that's all. I hope you enjoyed the first vlog. Many more to come. Summer 21. Love you.